This video explores the various ink types utilized in DTG sock printing, detailing their unique properties and how they impact ease of use. Insights are provided into which ink formulations are considered to offer the most straightforward printing experience for optimal results. There are four main types of inks commonly used for sock printing: sublimation ink, reactive ink, acid ink, and paint ink. Dye-sublimation ink is best for polyester. Reactive ink is primarily used for cellulose and protein fibers like cotton, bamboo, and wool. Acid ink is specifically designed for nylon, and pigment ink is a versatile option suitable for a variety of materials, including cotton. The sublimation printing process mainly includes three core links. The early stage is to complete the pattern design and process it with RIP software. The middle stage is to use sublimation ink with a sock printing machine for printing. The late stage is to achieve color fixation of the pattern through oven heating. The printing process of reactive ink and acid ink is basically similar, mainly including the following 6 core steps. Prepare the pre-treatment liquid according to the formula, immerse the socks in the treatment liquid and fully soak them, then spin dry and dry them to prepare for subsequent printing. After completing the design and adjustment of the customer's pattern, import it into the RIP software for color management to ensure the accuracy of the printed color. Import the RIP processed pattern into the printing software, set the corresponding parameters and then execute printing. The printed socks are placed in a steamer for steaming. This process causes the dye to react chemically with the fiber, achieving color fixation. The steamed socks are placed in industrial washing equipment for washing to remove unfixed dyes, floating colors, on the fabric surface and improve color fastness. The washed socks are placed in an oven for drying to complete the entire printing process. The production process of coating ink on socks is as follows. First, the socks are pre-treated, then the prepared pattern is imported into the printing software and printed, and finally the printed socks are placed in an oven for color fixing, thus completing the entire production process. Now that you've learned about the processes for these 4 inks, have you found the perfect match for your product? Do you prefer the vibrant color of dye sublimation or the softer feel of reactive ink? Let us know your choice in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and follow us for more practical printing tips. See you next time.